Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to do a small review of my two trimmers. One is for Philip, one is for Nova. The Nova trimmer is good. Okay, I bought it in 500 during the lockdown. Okay, you see here, it had some good effect, but unfortunately it got broken. I don't know whether it's a Chinese product. It got broken because of that, or it was because of my usage. I was not able to use it more than 10 to 15 times, but its effect was good. So anyone if is willing to purchase this can go for it. Okay, if you have a small budget. Okay, I but I don't know how long it will last. For mine, it lasts around 3 to 4 weeks. This is the model number for Nova. It's NS216. Okay, it had this multiple blade system. Okay, multiple, I'm sorry, not blade, multiple comb system, where you can change and replace the combs. So they had given us 2 3 combs according to your need. This is, I think, the 9 mm comb, and this is one more, 3 mm. It was good. I will not give it as a negative review based on the price, but again, yeah, it got broken. Yeah. One more thing, guys, and this is made in China. Okay, so if you want to use it as a made in China product, okay, you can go ahead. In one charge, I was able to use in around maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I was able to use this. The grip in which you can hold and use it is good. Okay, there was a on switch, on off switch. There was this power light. Okay, red light. It's got fully charged. Okay, so what, this switch got broken, unfortunately, by using multiple times. You have to hold this switch. There's no point in keeping it and then you can keep on using. You have to keep the power button on hold to keep it using on continuous time. So I think that's a major drawback in this one. Okay, but otherwise this is okay. In 500 bucks, I think I was more than satisfied by the quality of the shave. Okay, not by the durability is okay. Maybe depends on the hand on which people are using. Okay, there was no such effect of heating. Okay, I was not able to see any such effects where using it for a long time, maybe for 1 or 2 minutes there was a heating effect. So I don't think there was much any heating effect on this. Okay guys, now it's time for the one with Philips 3000 series. Okay, I thought enough of using a cheap one, let's go for a good brand. So I had chosen many brands. Okay, for before finalizing, I had seen many brands. Before finalizing, I had seen the Panasonic one, which is good. Okay, in this price range. So this one, it cost me around 2200 rupees. I bought it from Reliance Digital. Okay, and this model is 3227. Okay, if you see here, the model is 3227. It comes with a 3 years warranty. Okay, it's very good purchase for me. This is the trimmer itself. Okay, if you see, it's looking very dashing. It's very premium look. Okay, if you see my hand, it looks very premium. It's also very easy to hold. Okay, and there is this power button here. Not much of a sound, and if you press the power button, here you can do the changes. I think after switching off, you can do the changes. You can do it from here. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these are the blades, and based on these blades, okay, here you have this automatic adjustment. Okay, if you don't need to take this, you don't need to change the blades every time. This, okay, so I'll just I'll show you how you can remove it. It's very easy. You can remove in one hand within 2 fingers. Okay, so this is the one. We didn't give any spare parts for this. Okay, so I don't know if it breaks, how we'll be going to use it. But this is the thread is made of stainless steel, and there's one more brand for which it was titanium, but I don't think it is making any difference to me. One of my friend is using the titanium one, and he said there is no special effect so on that. So I brought this with the stainless steel. Okay, it is very smooth. There's no rough or cutting edge, unlike the Nova. I think that's only one thing in Nova, it's like little bit it, the blades are not as clean. Okay, if you see, I'll show you the Nova one. I have it here. Yeah, it's little bit like the sharp edge, but nothing as such with this Philips one. Okay, I'll show you the accessories now. Yeah, so it comes with this charger. Okay, it is quite long. So I think I forgot to tell you that you can use this even while charging it. So if you don't have the battery, so that's not an issue. There is one brush which they have given. Okay, there is this wonderful Philips travel bag pouch kind of, so you can use this while traveling. But that's it. There is nothing more. There is nothing an oil as such that was given in the Nova one, like this oil thing. I think this is not given here. I think it's an accessories for Nova, not for Philips. Okay, this is quite long. Yeah, so I have used this. Okay, and it's very good effect. And the thing is that once you do the shaving, it's very good, very accurate. And I have used this even to cut small hairs of my head. Okay, so facial hairs, even ladies, if you are wanting to use this, can use this as well to remove the hairs from your feet. So for some sudden outing, if you don't have the time to do the waxing and all. And that's it. I'll keep on using it, and if you want if you have any questions, you can tell me. Okay, and I'll give you a further update on this once I get to use it more. So once you charge it, okay, once you charge it, you don't have to forget. So I have charged it only once. I don't know, I charged it only 15-20 minutes, and I have never had this requirement to charge it again since at least I have used it another 3-4 times. So that's one good thing. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye, see you next time.